What's this?
So, do the guys know what happened to the other motor?
I don't even think so, honestly. It's been so long. If I mentioned it before, they probably forgot.
Yeah. Well, I wish Holly was here to say it, but basically, we bought a motor like in August, and we got scammed. Camera get scammed like $5,000. And then so we obviously Javi, my brother, owner of that S2K, he had to save up again and buy another motor, and here it is now, almost like a fucking year later.
Yeah. So a nice fresh F20C with good compression. Mm-hmm. And yeah, we're just basically I don't know how much of this I might just strap up the GoPro and just raw dog this thing because I just want to get it done. This is my first time pulling a motor on an S, and it's just a Honda at the end of the day. So I have the luxury of a lift because I'm a good boy and I save my monies and buy cool tools. So I'm going to do the easy way, except I haven't figured out how I'm going to drop the whole subframe yet, just because I don't have nothing to put it on yet. But that's the idea, is pull the motor, the tranny, everything down with the front subframe to make it easy, because it should just be, basic suspension, disconnect the steering rack, a couple lines and stuff, and then it should just drop. We already drained the coolant the other day, so we got a head start, but yeah. Shame.
It's going to be interesting. I wonder how long it will take, but...
No, well, I mean, the motor will be out today for sure, and then, yeah, I don't know how long it's going to take, though, because drive shaft off, center console out, undo the shifter, and then the rest of it should go pretty quick, but...
Yeah, he also has a set of BCs, I think we're probably going to slap on while it's off,
you know what I mean? BCs?
BC Racing.
Coilovers?
Yeah. Remember the ones we bought, like, a long time ago?
No, I didn't know you bought some BCs.
So, well, they're used, so right when the motor blew up, a deal came up for some BCs for like $200. And we're like, motor blowing up. I'm like, yeah, but it's like $200 for coilers. That's like ridiculously cheap. So
yeah,
they've been sitting in the trunk for like fucking so long.
Well, yeah, so that's what we got going on. So welcome back to the channel, guys, and I hope you stick around for the whole video. Let's get started.
One guy, he came in for a tent, and he's like, yo, I want to paint ceramic first, and then come under. I'm like, it's not gonna work like that. Yeah, and then. Perfect wall walker. Yeah. I'm stealing this for my car.
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay, probably 15 minutes in, and I already got the harness disconnected. We got most of the hoses disconnected. Just kind of working through. AC lines are unhooked. Yeah, a little bit more to go. Trying to get this lower heater core hose. Really terrible spot, might I add. And then we're gonna go up with the car, drain the oil, and do the drive shaft. And then I think upper control arms, steering shaft, and exhaust. And this thing should be almost ready to come out already, honestly. So far, fingers crossed, pretty simple. Again, first time with an S2000, but it's really similar to the Miata, just a few extra steps. I don't know what this drink is. It's some sort of a, Mexican sweet treat. It slaps though, but anyway, got most of the top stuff ready to come out, well done. So let me tell you though, that heater core hose that's on the bottom side, yeah, that's a knuckle buster. Same with the vacuum, like the secondary air pump thing that's under the intake manifold. I don't know. S2000s are relatively easy to work on, but I'm telling you, anything under the intake, it can go, have its way with itself. But I'm ready to put the car up and then do the drive shaft, unhook the exhaust really quick. I am going to try and ratchet strap the steering rack to the frame of the car because I don't feel like dealing with the, the steering coupler over here. So see if that works. If it doesn't, bolt it back up. I just feel like that's easier than fighting and breaking knuckles to get the one joint over here and then worrying about aligning it all up later. 4 bolts, ratchet strap, disconnect the sway bar, and we should be good. So I'm going to move on to that, and hopefully we can drop it.
We'll be alright. We got brake cleaner.
Alright, so the very first Allen key down here is being really tricky on the drive shaft. So I'm going to air hammer it, try and shock it loose a little bit. I already sprayed it with WD-40, so hopefully that helps. Alright, that didn't work so hot, so tits. Oh, I just fucking hit my hand so good. Yeah, buddy.
Oh, there he goes.
Okay, yeah. Woo. Okay, so I got most everything underneath disconnected. I do think that at this point, because I was able to thankfully find the steering column bolt underneath super easy. I thought we were gonna have to go up top, but you know, that's not the case. So all that's left is disconnect the lower hose. I'm gonna do that from underneath and probably, you know what, I'll just pull it off the radiator. Both of them are kind of tight access, but other than that, I think we're just about ready to just lower this onto something that we're gonna be supporting it with. And then undo all the, you know, subframe bolts and the transmission bracket bolts, because I already undid the shifter. Sasha did the shifter from up top, so yeah, we're moving pretty quick. We've been at it for like an hour and a half and basically ready to come out, I think. Well, probably 2 hours, but yeah, you know, easy peasy. Yeah. I just took a nice coolant bath trying to get that lower radiator hose undone, so thankfully, you know, I got most of it washed up. I can definitely feel some of it on my shirt though. But I think the whole engine, tranny, subframe assembly is ready to come out. I don't have nothing here that I feel comfortable with. So my friend Mike is going to come by. He's working on his own truck, well, on a customer vehicle right now at his house, and he lives right around the corner. So whenever he's done with that, he's gonna bring me a set of big jack stands later, and he's gonna help me just finish lowering this off. So, you know, right now I figure it's a good time to go get some lunch anyway. So I'm gonna go eat, and we will catch up with you guys when we're ready to pull this thing out. Oh, there goes the jack.
Yeah. Hold on.
Yeah, it's gonna.
The definitely needs support.
Is it a 12?
Yeah, give me a 12.
Yeah, it looks like they're clear, so.
This is intimidating.
Tight fit.
Alright.
Oh, hang on. What the hell? Let me get a 10. Take this bracket off. I'll poke a hole in it here.
Yeah.
Like,
We need to hold everything in its exact position.
oh, that's perfect.
Bye-bye.
Stays right there.
They just crammed so much stuff.
It's
on
just
that
dumb.
side.
Like,
Yeah,
why
literally, everything
why
is
did you have?
shoved
Why do
right
we have
in
to
that
take this
back
off?
corner.
Like, you didn't even have to take this off. It was just pinching itself on this bolt. All right.
For no reason. Oh, it's just pinching against the frame rail, you mean?
Yeah, this freaking bracket.
Whatever. So we can keep going up?
Go up.
Yeah, we're clear now.
What's this vacuum line?
Yep. Good. We're free. Yay! Oh, that's the final victory splash right there.
I fucking knew that was gonna happen. I was like, trying to.
Will you just support the tail of the car, Efren?
I don't think it's gonna go nowhere.
Like up here?
Yeah, just hold it until I get high enough to put the stand under it. I just don't trust it.
Well, the tail of the car? The transmission?
Right, yeah, just
It
the
is
whole
a
car.
little light in the front. So.
Yeah.
Just hang off the front end.
Oh, really? God damn it, it's like fucking with us now.
It's like,
That's
how
why it
dare
blew
you?
up. It's got green coolant.
Well, this is, you know, the whole S2000 front, you know, drive assembly
That's
out. Yeah, definitely not the worst thing, but definitely far from the easiest. So, you know, overall I give it like a 6 out of 10. I don't really like it. I don't prefer it, but you know, it's done and we're here.
What's the stuff on this side?
Yeah, it's this side, the top side, the bottom side. You know, granted it was tedious getting the sensors up here from under the car, but everything on the intake side is just an absolute nightmare, no matter where you are. Like even outside the car, you can see it's just a mess. So now comes the fun stuff. I might leave it to Javi. Unbolt the bell housing and, you know, separate the tranny, get all the little stuff done, because he also has a new, you know, silicone hose kit over there. But yeah, we'll see. But we're at least this far. So putting the engine back in, that's definitely going to be a part 2, because yeah, this shit took way too long.
Get out of here. It's my video.
Content thief.
be called a baller, Chris. Well, alright, I guess all you gotta do is drop your motor, dude.
Right. God damn. There you go.
You struggling, my boy?
No, it's because I tried to back out the thing and you try to back out. There you go. The fucking socket gets squeezed in between the header if you pull it out. So it gets caught between the runner.
Yeah, imagine doing that shit inside the car with like less room.
Yeah.
Oh. What the fuck? Oh, dude, you can see the piston.
It is broke. Oh my god, you see it in there?
Oh, is that what that?
Dude, yeah, like look deep inside past
Let me
the
see the
valve.
light.
Oh my god.
Oh, yeah.
That is destroyed.
Yeah, the camera's not really picking it up that well, but.
Oof.
Jeez, dude.
You can't fix it?
Damn. I'll fix it. Oh my god.
Bob the Builder?
Yeah. Cylinder 4 has left the chat.
Oh yeah, look at the valve, dude.
Yeah.
The
Straight
valve
bent
and
the shit out of that valve.
Dang.
That's why it's locked up.
Yeah, I guess after a year we finally got some resolution on this thing.
Yeah.
Just pulled the header off like you just seen, and no, that thing's
Oh my god.
clobbered.
Piston, dude. Holy
I don't see
shit.
the piston though.
You know what? I wonder if he just broke a retainer and dropped the
Yeah.
valve and I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know.
That'd be so cool.
Well, that explains why the motor won't spin.
Yeah.
Probably just destroyed the piston. It could have cracked the sleeve,
I still want the block though, because you can just take out the cylinder to sleeve it.
yeah, that's good shit. Damn.
Jesus Christ. Oh my god.
Need to go this way.
I just want to express, we've been trying to get my freaking ratchet freed from between between the engine bracket and transmission for 20 minutes now.
More than that.
It's just stupidest thing ever. Like I
Unbolt this.
swear.
Unbolt this with a normal wrench.
Okay, yeah. Now we can separate the transmission. Now that my $100 and ratchet, my $100 socket's free. Like, God, dude.
Order of operations.
Yeah. Buy an S2000, they said. Yeah, it's just a Honda, except when you actually need to work on it. Like,
Yeah, turn that into BMW.
yeah,
Yeah.
it's ignorant. Let me show you the contraption I made just to get to this starter bolt.
Actually, this is probably harder than the Volkswagen.
This is what you need to do, or make to get to the top starter bolt. With the wobble.
No good.
Ignorance.
Okay. Try now.
There it is. That wasn't so bad.
So how that goes in, you'll be able to see it right now, but it just popped.
That's where you do it.
You have a clutch tool?
For an S? I do.
Yeah.
He does. How deep your pockets, cuz?
I don't even know.
We're about to find out here how much this job's gonna cost.
Let's see. The moment of truth.
Alright, well.
Ooh, that this
Garbage.
is very
Oh
thin.
yeah, I know it's like, oh, those are the
Garbage.
springs.
About to blow up.
Yeah, so.
Let me see.
Well, no, cause, oh yeah, I know it's on the wear bars, huh? Sorry, because these are the wear bars, right? Or are they the pins?
No, when this is flat with these little grooves, then yeah, but
That,
I
those
mean,
springs
bro,
are
your
metal.
retainer's still there. The rocker arm's gone.
That's pretty impressive, brother.
You said oh, the piece of it's. Oh,
Dude, look, its entire rocker arm's gone. Oh,
Jesus.
yeah. I mean,
on the positive side, the spring's still retained.
Holy, what the?
How did you do that?
I don't know, dude. That's
Dude, it must have stuck the VTEC pin or shit in there weird because it dropped down all the way.
Show your buddies and like, what do you guys think? They're gonna be like, what the?
I've never seen that.
I've never seen rocker failure that aggressive. They usually just crack, bro. Holy.
What piece of the rocker go?
Right here.
Oh my lord.
Ooh. It's so brutal.
Should we pop the spark plugs out and see see if we can see the top of the piston or something?
Drill a hole through here and make it a keychain. Just drill a hole right through there and bam.
Oh, God, that thing's full of oil. It popped up the tube too.
That's crazy because he just resealed it too before it blew up.
Alright guys, I'm just sitting down to edit this video. Realized I didn't even film an outro, so I do apologize for that, so let's do that right now. You know, that engine is, you know, it was one of the harder engines I've pulled, not gonna lie. Not that it was extremely complicated, but more in the sense that there's much more meticulous little things, you know, things getting in the way. And again, it was mostly just the stuff under the intake manifold. Like, they made it so much more difficult than it needed to be, but, you know, it's out. We found the issue, obviously, as you've seen. I don't know exactly what caused what or what happened first, but a valve made contact with the piston on cylinder 4. One valve is gnarly bent, one valve is exploded, and we found more of it in the intake manifold. And then the one rocker arm completely, you know, exited the chat. So whatever he did a good number to it. So tomorrow, aka next video, we'll be moving on to, you know, swapping some things over. I was having him swap over the new hoses and stuff last night. Well, tonight when I left. I didn't leave the shop till 8, so I don't know how late they're going to be there. It's already quartered at 10 right now. But yeah, so hopefully it should be ready. We do have to get a clutch, but Science of Speed locally should have a couple of them. I called them earlier. So yeah, should get a new clutch tomorrow, dropping the flywheel off for resurfacing first thing in the morning, and then I'm going to try and get that at least put back on the subframe, because I'm going to have some more help tomorrow, thankfully, because this is definitely not easy as a one-man job. It's just very labor intensive. You need to have multiple eyes on things because there's not a lot of room for error on these chassis. But if you enjoyed the video, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. If you're new to the channel, I hope you consider subscribing. We're about to hit 24,000. We're only a few shy, and I'm very excited about that because that means we're close to 25, which is close to 50, which maybe someday we'll hit 100. But anyways, guys, do what you love, forget about the rest. Thanks for spending some time out of your day here with me. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.